Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath in the Bathroom. It's the only place where you can play your gadgets in peace. On this channel we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, bang, www.demanding77.com. Alright guys, we're gonna jump right into it. We have a great speaker for you. Now this speaker, guys, is super loud and it's also water resistant. Let's jump right into the unboxing and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. But first guys, I want you to take advantage of my 2 video courses. The first video course, guys, is 3 modules on how you can earn 6 figures. I show you everything from credit repair to how to get Google certified and how to bring those skills to different platforms and charge people to do work. And the last module, guys, is talking about exactly what I do currently for money and how you can buy homes without getting a loan from a bank. That's 6-figure journey. The second video course, guys, those of you that are streamers, I know that you are super excited that I have another hotspot course. This is unlimited data. It teaches you how to sell internet to your friends, family, or potential customers in your community. So go ahead, I'm going to have both video courses in the description of this video. Enough of it, let's jump right into it. And I know what you're saying, Tech, why your energy level so low and why you sound like that? Unfortunately, I have contracted COVID-19. So why I have my energy at this moment, I wanted to push this video out. But enough talking, guys, let's jump into it. I'll be back to give you my final thoughts. Alright, so here we have the Soars Motor Boom Extreme Bass Bluetooth box. All right, so a couple of things you need to know right off the back: that it's using the latest Bluetooth technology. Also, guys, it can be paired with multiple units and you charge it via the USB-C port. So it is USB-C. Now that is a look around the box right quick, guys. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and let's see what type of build quality you have inside of here. All right, so as you open up the box, at the top you're going to find the user manual. The presentation is straight to the point, guys. There's not a whole lot in the box besides the speaker, but make sure that you go ahead and take a look at your quick starter guide. Now basically just tell you everything that's inside the box and exactly what the buttons do. So then we have a look at that. Let's go ahead and see what else we have inside of here. All right, so taking the speaker out, just get all this foam to the side right quick. At the bottom of the box, guys, I found my 3.5 aux wire and the USB Type-C charging wire. So make sure you don't throw the box away until you check the bottom of it. All right, so let's take the plastic off and have a look at the speaker. Now, one of the things right off the bat, guys, I love the handles. The speaker does have a little weight to it. Now you can see in the back it have the little tab right there and it says USB and aux. So you will plug your 3.5 aux wire right there underneath that tab, and you also can charge up another device. So if you have like a cell phone or something like that, you can charge the device up using that USB slot right there. Go ahead and open it up and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So you see right there your aux, USB, and that's your USB-C right there. So you charge the speaker from there, you can charge other devices from there, and you can plug in your 3.5. And that little tab is to keep the water from getting inside of it. All right, so here's the front of it. You can see the labeling on there. I love the look, but let's get into it. So let's go over the buttons right quick. So of course at the top, guys, you have your power button. All right, and then on side of that, you have your extra bass button. You have your play, your pause. You have your radio, FM radio. You have your volume up and your volume down. So pretty standard stuff, guys. It's self-explanatory. All right, so anything can look good, but we're not here for the looks, we're here for the sound. Let's see exactly how this thing sounds, but we got to pair it first. All right, before we pair it, guys, let's look at some of the specs on this device. Now you can see right now it's about $79 on Amazon. I will have that link in the description of this video. Now the great thing about this, guys, is that currently you can get it prime, meaning that it will come whatever your prime days are. Some people it's 2 days, some people it's 1 day, some people it's an hour. Just depends where you live at, guys. Now let's scroll on through this bad boy right here. You can see that it's IPX5. Also, you're getting like 30 hours of playback time. Now that's at 50%. You got 2 woofers, you got 4 drivers, guys. You got a built-in power bank. I mean, what else do you need? This thing, guys, is made for party animals. So if you have a pool party, guys, I believe that you're gonna have more than enough juice to get this thing up and going and to satisfy all of your family and friends for your event. So that's the specs, guys. Again, if you want to read more about it, I'm going to leave the link in the description of the video. Okay, so now we know what we're working with. Now it's time to see how it sounds. Alright, so pairing is simple, guys. You simply just press power on a device. You can hear some water sounds. Alright, and then you just go ahead and search for the device on your Bluetooth phone. Alright, so there you go, right there. Go ahead and connect it. Connecting is pretty simple. So again, you press power, is automatic in Bluetooth mode, and then you just search for that speaker on your Bluetooth compatible device. Alright, so let's pull up some royalty free music and see how it sounds. Like I told you guys, this thing packs a punch. It's very, very loud, and the extra bass, guys, definitely will bring it to the party. So yes, overall, I love the design. I love the fact that you can get up to 30 hours at 50% of playback time. I love the loudness. I love the bass. I love the handles. And by it being water resistant, guys, look, that's just the icing on the cake. Let's jump back to the studio. All right, guys, welcome back. So there you have it. Now, I am surprised by the amount of bass that this little speaker puts out. It's very, very loud. I can plug it up to one side of my house. Plug it up. I could set it up in one side of my house, and I can hear it way across the house. Man, it's very loud. The bass is very, very boomy. I love the build factor. I love the little handles, because if you had a pool party or something, guys, to give you something to hold on to in case it does get a little water splash on it, it's not gonna be as slippery. It do have a little weight on it, so those handles come in handy. So there you have it, guys. Go ahead and check out the speaker. The link will be in the description of the video. It's your boy taking a bath. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.